Building a small worm-powered compost system directly inside your garden bed is one of the simplest and most effective ways to turn everyday kitchen waste into rich, living soil. Instead of throwing away fruit peels and vegetable scraps, you can return them to the earth and allow nature to recycle them for you. Worms break down this organic material and transform it into nutrients that plants can absorb quickly. This method improves soil health, helps the soil hold moisture, and supports stronger, healthier plant growth right where it's needed. In this method, we are using an old fruit basket to create a mini vermicomposting system inside the garden bed. A fruit basket works perfectly because it already has many holes. These openings allow worms to move in and out easily, while also letting moisture and nutrients spread into the surrounding soil. First, choose a spot in your garden bed that is close to your plants, but not directly on top of delicate roots. Using a small shovel or garden trowel, dig a hole deep enough so most of the basket can sit below the soil surface, leaving just the top edge slightly above ground level. Place the basket into the hole and press the soil firmly around the sides so it stays stable and doesn't move. You want the basket to sit snugly in place so it becomes a permanent part of your garden bed. Now it's time to start building the compost layers inside the basket. Add your kitchen waste. Vegetable peels, fruit scraps, tea leaves, crushed eggshells, and leftover plant materials all work very well. It's a good idea to cut the scraps into smaller pieces because smaller pieces break down faster and are easier for worms to process. After that, add a layer of partially finished compost or vermicompost if you already have some available. This layer introduces beneficial microbes and sometimes even a few worms, which helps the composting process start more quickly. Once the layers are added, cover everything with a thin layer of soil or mulch. This step is very important because it reduces odors, prevents flies from reaching the food scraps, and helps maintain the right moisture level. The mulch also protects the compost from direct sunlight and helps keep the temperature stable inside the mini compost system. Now give the basket a light watering. The goal is to keep the material moist but not soaked, similar to the moisture level of a squeezed sponge. Over time, worms living in the surrounding soil will naturally enter the basket through the holes. They will begin feeding on the organic materials and slowly convert them into nutrient-rich worm castings. As worms move in and out of the basket, they carry these nutrients into the surrounding soil, improving soil structure and feeding nearby plants. Every few days, or about once a week, you can lift the top and add more kitchen scraps. Always remember to cover fresh waste with a little soil, leaves, or shredded paper to keep the system balanced and odor-free. If the material ever looks too dry, add a small amount of water. And if it looks too wet or slimy, simply mix in more dry leaves or paper to restore balance.